Hello there, and welcome back to HTML coding series that I'm doing. Now right here, this is currently what we have. It might have looked a bit different, that's because I accidentally wiped all the data on this thing. And today we're trying to get all this onto this. We are trying to make, let me pull up test.html. We're trying to make a button that says hello world and gives us hellos. Now if we go to this one, this is currently all we have. So we're gonna have to fix that. First, let's make hello world a button. There we go. So now if we reload it, we can click it, but it does nothing. So we're gonna have to fix that. First thing we're gonna add is a counter. There we go. Let's end that. Wrong way. And let's make this 0. So now if we reload it, this is where number is going to count up when we're done. If you want, we can move this below button so it goes below this, but it's fine for now. Okay, so next thing you have to do is get this little bit right here. On click, num go up. That's basically just telling the thing every time we click it, something should happen. It's a function. Wrong thing. On click. On click means anytime you click it, and then a function tells the code to do something. We'll get to JavaScript in a moment. Function. Oh, I need num go up. This needs to be uppercase. Num go up. And then at 9 need it to be a function. Okay, so now we have this. So now when we click this, it tries to execute something, but it currently does nothing. That's where we're gonna get the script right here. Think JavaScript inside of your HTML file. Yeah, let's just throw this right here. Script. Bam. Okay. Now, first thing we're gonna have to add is a counter. Wait, I forget. Sorry. Yeah, just let count. Okay. Let count plus plus. This just shows the thing, because count here just means number. Well, currently means anything. Did I do something wrong? Oh. Okay, I'm thinking later on. Okay. Count equal 0. Not double space though. Without work. Because count here should be a number. Yes. Okay. Function time. Now let's make num go up work. Function. Does num go up in? No, it's just out there. Okay. Num go up. Not 9. I did that twice. Bam. And now in here, I think you put count plus plus. That just tells the number to go up. Count plus plus. Okay, this bit here I'm just gonna copy since I don't want to rewrite it. But this just changes what this says up here. What this says. add that, and then that's all we have. I will put this this coolant file right here in the description if you had a hard time following the video. But now it should work. Yep. I don't know what we're gonna do next video. Maybe put like a photo here or something, or like change how the button and everything looks using style, which is CSS, which is just how everything looks. Make sure to like and subscribe, I guess, to feed my family.